It's too tall. So I have to unscrew the feet. I'm gonna flip it first, and then I'm gonna take the feet off. My problem here, if you couldn't tell, is that the screws are stripped. And I stripped them when we put them in, like when we first screwed them into this thing. And I've completed the stripping. So now it's, instead of like a normal 4 lines for the screw, it's just like a hole, and my screwdriver thing just kind of spins. So it's multiple screws that are like that on like all sides as well. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to get it off. How do you get stripped screws out? There's got to be a way. Hold on, I'm going to look it up. It's probably like a TikTok or something. I think I got it. I tried like 3 different methods. Duct tape didn't work, rubber band didn't work, and glove did not work. What did work is taking the tip off of my screwdriver and then like kind of putting it, anyway, I'm sure you guys have seen this before, but no, it won't tighten around this one. Nope, it's not doing it. Ah, see, it worked. Wow. You just have to tighten it like no one's business. The other ones are like not sticking out far enough for for the drill to like catch onto it, you know? This top one doesn't really matter because it's really just the side ones that are just come out. No one likes you. What if I just Hulk it off? You know what I mean? Give it a go. And then it comes right off. Just pry the screw out. I know you guys don't like this. I'm sorry about it. But it's working. So, like pulling out a loose tooth, baby. Alright, now I gotta do it again. I gotta flip it around. You alright? You went for a bit of a tumble there. One of your legs came out of its socket. 1 second. There you go. Just pop it right back in. Good as new. You okay? Everything alright? Everything looks fine. I think you're fine. Okay. Nice. Okay. The feet have been removed. Did I even intro this vlog? Hey y'all, welcome to another Artsy studio vlog. There we go, there's the intro. If you couldn't tell, I'm working on changing up and fixing the tufting, my large tufting framing that Sean and I made some months ago. When was that? Was that in the spring or was that the winter? Anyway, it used to be tall, but I want it to be long instead so that I don't have to stand on, you know, a stepladder or a chair to tuft to the highest point. Why did I make it tall instead of making it long? It's the same size and will fit the same amount of stuff. Why did I do that? I don't know. I did get the carpet gripper, or however you want to call it. I ordered it online and it got delivered today. I ordered it last night at like 10 p.m. and it got delivered today, which is pretty awesome. And so I got it from, wow, how interesting. I got it from Home Depot. I weirdly couldn't find it on Lowe's website. Anyway, got them from Home Depot. And it was a 3-pack of 4 feet. So mine is like 5 by 6, I think. So I'm gonna have to cut some of these to like complete certain lengths. But I got 2 3-packs, so I have 6. I hopefully have enough to, ouch, to do what I'm looking to do. And this stuff is actually like really cool because it's literally exactly like what's on my small tufting framing. So all these tiny little nails already in it, and then we have these nails which are not like pushed all the way through, so I'm assuming we'll use these to like hammer it on to my framing. The only thing is these are really short nails. I don't want to split this wood by putting screws into it. If I could take the nail out and put a screw instead. Probably, right? I'm gonna say probably. I can't believe this stuff exists. And like I showed you, my version of this, right? With all the, I don't even know. I have no excuse for how bad that looks. And like this 3-pack, I think was like $3 or $4. Instead of buying like all the wood that I bought and then all the nails and like taking the time to hammer them in is so silly. I feel so dumb still. Before we can do that, I have to screw the feet that we just took off onto the new bottom. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Alright, y'all, welcome to day 2 of fixing the frame, and I've basically done it. But I did have to do some kind of weird thing on the bottom here. Here, I'll show you actually. You're gonna get like a side view because you're on a tripod. So I have these like L brackets that screw into the frame and the foot. And then the red is, you know, the carpet gripper stuff. And I was able to screw it here, but then the carpet gripper kind of has to go over this metal thing. So all of this here is wood glue, and I'm pressing it on there with the cinder block that already kind of has to stay there. And then I've done this side as well, the same, only it needed like a little thing there, a clamp, if you will. So I wanted to put some tufting fabric on this because I did film this as like a little, you know, a real TikTok kind of thing, because I didn't know that this could just be bought and you didn't have to make it, and it was all just so easy. And it comes with these nails. I can't remember if I showed you, but it already has like these little nails to like secure it in, but they're so short, and they're nails. I don't know, I don't trust nails. So I swapped out the nails for these screws, which I didn't know if it was going to work, but it did. So I kind of just want to share this experience with people, just in case, you know, whoever is possibly building their own tufting frame. 1, you don't have to make it tall. I don't know why I did that. I feel like that's a common sense thing that just didn't click in my head. 2, they make this stuff for you to just buy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. But it is something that you kind of have to pay attention to, because I'm just going to share it with y'all as well. So these arrows have to point out at all times. So it's pointing out on the top, and then on the side it's pointing out. This side is pointing out, and then the bottom is going to point down. So it's always pointing away from, oh, your leg came off again. Oh, jeez. I've had this tripod since the dawn of Artsymadwoman. Yeah, so the carpet gripper stuff has to always be pointing away from the fabric. And that's to make sure that the nails, the tiny little nails, are always facing outward so that when you stretch the fabric onto it, the nails are pointing out, so it's going to grip onto the fabric, because if they were pointing in, then the fabric would slip right off. This is done, but we have to let the wood glue dry, which I'm probably going to have to leave that for, actually, I have to leave that for 24 hours. So that's fine, because tomorrow is when I'm getting my new tufting machine. I'm so excited. I know that I said I was going to talk about it in this studio vlog, but I think I'm going to talk about it when I have it so that I can kind of show you. But just really quick, it's a long pile tufting machine, so it can adjust lengths. And this is why I feel like I need to have it to show you what I'm talking about. So my tufting machine, when it puts yarn to the other side, it's always the same length. So this machine that I'm getting is long pile, so it's going to be able to do longer pieces of yarn on the other side, which is going to be so cool for more 3D kind of projects. I was thinking of doing like some like mossy rugs, so it'll have different like little heights of different mounds of like moss, like different colored greens, so we'll have like different heights. I think it's gonna be so cool. And I don't know, maybe I'll do like a puffy kind of flower. I'm just very excited for this new machine. So that's why I wanted to get this done before the machine gets here, because once it does, that's all I'm going to want to do. Oh, I'm so happy that I turned this on its side, because before it was so freaking tall. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the studio vlog here, because in the next one we're going to be testing out the new machine. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. I almost said the vlog, subscribe to the vlog channel. You can if you want. The reason I haven't uploaded on like the regular life vlog channel is because my life is the studio right now. I don't really have anything life vlog. This is basically life vlog channel right now, because I'm in the studio like 99.9% of the time. And I wouldn't have it any other way right now. I'm like living my best life. I don't know where that accent came from, but anyway, just in case you were wondering what happened to the vlog channel, this is kind of this is what I'm doing. This is my life. Although we did get our passports, which was pretty well. We went to apply for them. Anyway, all of my links are ruled by the one link to rule them all down in the description. I love you guys to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.